Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So today I'm going to be completing the revision of Suratul Mulk from ayahs number 16 to 30. So let's get started. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Ayah number 16 says, Amintum man fis samai an yakhsifa bikumul arza fa iza hiya tamur. So now there are the two ayahs in which Allah is warning about the different kind of punishments that can come upon people. So do you feel secure that the one who is in the heaven will not cause the earth to swallow you up? As it quakes violently. So like yakhsifu bikumul arza, it may be like it earth can like swallow you fa izahiya tamur, and it just starts to move really violently. At this point we are just staying on it very peacefully, but if the earth starts to move, earthquake starts coming, then this peace will not be there anymore. So the next ayah is ayah number 17. Amintu man fis samai ay yursila alaykum hasiban fasatalamuna kayfa nazir. So this is the warning about the punishment coming from the sky. So do you feel secure that the one who is in the heaven will not unleash upon you the storm of stones? Yursilu means like send, alaykum upon you, hasiba, storm of stones. Only then would you know how serious my warning was. All the warnings that the Prophet has been giving to the people. وَلَقَدْ كَذَّبَ الَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِهِمْ فَكَيْفَ كَانَ نَكِيرٌ. And now the warning people are told about the example from the previous nations, and certainly those before them, like the nations before, they denied as well, and how severe was my response, so how Allah responded to them. Next ayah is ayah number 19. أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا إِلَى الطَّيْرِ فَوْقَهُمْ صَافَّاتٍ وَيَقْبِضْنَ. Haven't you seen the birds above you? فَوْقَهُمْ صَافَّاتٍ, they spread out their wings, and وَيَقْبِضْنَ, they fold them also. مَا يُمْسِكُهُنَّ إِلَّا الرَّحْمَنُ, who holds them above in the sky except for Ar-Rahman. إِنَّهُ بِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ بَصِيرٌ, and he is the one who sees, he's all seeing. Then the next ayah is ayah number 20. Amman hazallazi huwa jundun lakum yansurukum min dunir rahman inil kafiruna illa fi gurur. And now the humans are told about their weakness, and which and also which powerless force will come to help you instead of the most compassionate, instead of ar-Rahman. Are these idols that are going to help you? Indeed, the disbelievers are only lost in delusion. They are only deluded, thinking that these idols that they worship will help them in any way. Amman hazallazi yarzuqukum in amsaka rizqahu ballajju fi utumi manufur. And who is that who will provide you, who will give you provision if Allah withholds his provision? In fact, they persist in arrogance and aversion to the truth. Then the next ayah is ayah number 22. Afamay yamshi mukiban ala wajhihi ahda Ammay yamshi sawiyan ala sirati mustaqim. So who is rightly guided? The one who crawls face down, or the one who walks straight up? Like who is more guided? The one who is in the darkness of ignorance, or the one who is on the straight path? Then the next ayah is ayah number 23. Kul huwa allazi ansha'akum wa ja'ala lakum as-sam'a wal absara wal af'ida qalilan ma tashkurun. Say, O Prophet, now Allah is addressing them through the Prophet. He is the one who brought you into being. Allah gave us ansha'akum, He gave us life, we grew up, and He provided us all the provision that we needed. Wa ja'ala lakum as-sam'a, and He gave us hearing, wal absara, and vision, wal af'ida, and also our feelings and our intellect. Kalilam ma tashkurun, very little do we thank Him for that. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. The next ayah is ayah number 24. Kul huwa allazi zara'akum fil arzi wa ilayhi tusharun. So to say, O Prophet, to them that He is the one who dispersed you all over the earth, and to Him we'll all be gathered. Ayah number 25 is وَيَقُولُونَ مَتَى هَذَا الْوَعْدُ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ. So these people, the disbelievers, say that when will this wada, when will this promise come true, if what you say is true? Like when will judgment day come? When will punishment come? Then there are two answers that has been given. The first one is Kul innamal ilmu indallah. Tell them that the knowledge of this judgment day is only with Allah. Wa innama ana naziru mubin, and the Prophet is only a warner, a clear warner towards people. Then ayah number 27 is Falamma ra'uhu zulfatan si'at wujuhul lazina kafaru. Now this is a picture of judgment day. Wakila hazal lazi kuntum bihi taddaun. And then when they will see the torment drawing near, the faces of the disbelievers will become gloomy, and it will be said to them, this is what you claim would never come. Kuntum bihi taddaun, what you said that would never come, or the second meaning would be that what you were constantly calling for, that it should come. Then the next ayah is ayah number 28. Kul ara'aytum in ahlakani Allahu wa man ma'ya aw rahimana. So the Prophet is told to tell them that, have you seen that if Allah wishes to take away the Prophet and also the people who are with him, the Muslims, or have mercy upon them, فَمَن يُجِيرُ الْكَافِرِينَ مِنْ عَذَابٍ أَلِيمٍ. But then who will save the disbelievers from the painful punishment of Akhirah? And then the next ayah is Kul huwa ar-Rahmanu amanna bihi wa alayhi tawakkalna. Tell them that upon Ar-Rahman we believe, and upon only upon him we put our trust. فَسَتَعْلَمُونَ مَنْ هُوَ فِي ظِلَالٍ مُبِينٍ. You will soon know who is clearly astray. Then the last ayah of this surah, ayah number 30. قُلْ أَرَأَيْتُمْ إِنْ أَصْبَحَ مَاؤُكُمْ غَوْرًا فَمَنْ يَأْتِيكُمْ بِمَاءٍ مَّعِينٍ. Say, consider this, that if your water, this Zamzam, which you are so proud of, that it's a source, only source of water there, if Allah takes it away, if it were to sink into the earth, who then could bring you the flowing water? Ma'in means flowing water, or the water that is really good. So with this, alhamdulillah, the deeper study of Suratul Mulk is complete. Inshallah, on Monday I am going to be starting a new surah, a deeper study of that, and that's going to be Surah Yasin, so stay tuned for that. And tomorrow, inshallah, I'm going to be starting Surah Ankabut on weekend with the Quran, so don't forget to watch that. That's all for today. Fi aman Allah.